Dreams in our eyes, goals in our sight, success in our vision, achievement is our mission, challenge in our blood, discipline in our soul. Hard work is our strength, failures at an arm's length. We strive to make things happen for sure because we are known as entrepreneurs. A very good morning to all the entrepreneurs. I welcome you all to the Makers, a networking meet organized by Times Entrepreneur. As I just mentioned that we all are the entrepreneurs who strive to turn the impossible into I am possible. Yes, we do have that passion and this has been proved as we all have taken an initiative towards making our opportunities grow many folds by being a valuable part of the Makers. The Makers is an inventive platform which has been designed for the very first time in India to empower the small scale businesses, aspiring entrepreneurs and startups. It aims at benefiting those who dream to have their own business. This particular platform is designed to promote, generate business, support, mentor and expand the prospects of small scale businesses and multiplying their opportunities using the most effective business strategies. We are the makers, we shape the future leaders who will be the makers of tomorrow. So, if business is on your mind and you have the passion to get known, then my dear entrepreneurs, you are at the right place. The Makers make way for a better tomorrow. Here, we believe in not just growing network, but planting relations which are long lasting. So here I elaborate the benefits of joining the Makers. It provides you with an opportunity to be a speaker where you can showcase your business and its prospects. Here, you get an exposure of your business in front of other businesses, which is the USP of this networking meet. You get a quick exchange of business here at our requirement and referral session, which will be followed by business after the business speaking session. The Makers provide you the platform where you can build relationships that will benefit you to multiply business, increase revenue and customer sales or services. It is going to be a launch pad for the startups who can kickstart their business here. Since it is a networking meet, so I am sure entrepreneurs that you will be having a wider network after attending this meet. Here, you got a chance to get yourself identified as a brand. The Makers guarantees their enhanced credibility and profitability of your organization once you attend this networking meet. Last but not the least, you get an amazing marketing tool in the form of your video, which is going to be shot in our business speaking session. And I must tell you that you can use those videos later on all platforms like social media or public websites in order to enhance your business credibility. So entrepreneurs, the list of the benefits goes on and on. But I want you to practically enjoy all those benefits and share your business growth in our upcoming events, which will be organized fortnightly at different locations. Now, before we start with our business speaking session, I would like to introduce you all with a mastermind of this amazing concept and a very dynamic personality. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Rohit Rathore.
God has given us the hunger. The bread is made by us. God has given us the land. The buildings are designed by us. God has given us the sleep. The dreams are woven by us. God has given us the strength, but the opportunities are created by us. Finally, God has created a human, but the Makers are generated by us. A very good morning to all the entrepreneurs. I, Rohit Rathore, founder and CEO of 1000 Franchise and Times Entrepreneur welcome you all to the gateway of opportunities at this networking meet, The Makers. Yes, we as The Makers transforming the creation of God into the future makers of the world who strongly believe in I can, I will. The Makers is a resourceful platform that gives every business the opportunity that identifies itself as a brand. It not only identifies your mission, but it owns your vision to take it to the pinnacles of success. This particular event has been designed for the entrepreneurs, for networking meet. The Makers aims at multiplying your business opportunity by giving you the exposure of other businesses, the opportunity to be a speaker, brand visibility, enhance your organization's credibility and profitability, and effective networking. I'm sure that many of you would be thinking that how this young guy would help us in taking our business to the desired heights. Let me introduce this young but successful businessman who has touched the zenith of success with his own capabilities. I have laid down the foundation of 1000 Franchise in 2013 with the core aim of assisting entrepreneurs in building sustainable franchise network across the globe. I have already worked with many franchisees, franchisors, SMEs, retailers, startups to corporate giants. We have already worked with many brand owners. At 1000 Franchise, we help people to start their own business. We help people to validate their business ideas, completely ideation. We help brands to expand their business pan-India through franchising route. We do complete consulting. We are a launch pad for businesses who want to expand their business along the ways. Times Entrepreneur is again an insight concept, and it's an initiative to understand what it takes to start a new business in highly competitive environment and get started with it. But it is our challenge that even if you lack funds, even if you lack knowledge and support, even if you lack networking, we can still make you stand as a victorious entrepreneur. And I bet that there is no other platform who guarantees that much of support on its end. So my worthy entrepreneurs, I am sure that you will be loaded with a good network, good opportunities, good marketing tools that you can use at your end when you will be leaving this meeting. So The Makers, let's get started moving ahead with this. Thank you so much for attending this event. I personally thank everyone for being here on this event. Thank you so much.